Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes on this Friday evening, the 5th of August. And we're getting some showers and thunderstorms that are developing mostly inland and at least from eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. They're kind of patchy and those patches are scattered about, but it's a little more concentrated down in Maryland and Virginia. You can see the blowup of clouds there. This is where SPC had the risk area concentrated today, and you're seeing other thunderstorms blowing up west of there into parts of Ohio and into Kentucky. Not too much going on, though, in the Northeast. You can see thunderstorms and some showers that have developed on the west coast of Florida moving westward. And then all that moisture that was in the central Gulf states has now moved toward the Texas coast and continues to drift to the west. And we've got a stream of moisture from California on northward going up into the northern plains and also into the southwestern part of the U.S. Here's the radar as of 7:30 Eastern Time. And you can see the patchy areas of showers and storms. The cells seem to come and go. There have been the odd severe thunderstorm warnings that have been posted for a few places. You could see one there for Ocean County as of 7:30. Always go to weather.gov because this is obviously dated if you're watching this a little later on this evening or during tonight. By that time, most of all of this will be gone. But quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity and heavy rain from Chesapeake Bay northwestward into central Maryland and then southward into much of southern Virginia and going back into the mountains of Tennessee and western Carolina, North Carolina, and even into parts of North Georgia. The Storm Prediction Center, as we said, that's where they have the marginal risk, pretty much where the thunderstorms have developed. For tomorrow, we have a general thunderstorm risk up and down the East Coast because of this old dying front. But I don't think it's going to really produce very much. If we do see anything pop up on the radars, they should be widely scattered in nature. The risk area from Nebraska to Wisconsin, and then as we move on to Sunday, there's no severe weather being indicated for Sunday into Monday, just general thunderstorms pretty much everywhere east of the Rockies. Rainfall over the next 7 days, looking at what we've been seeing for days now, a half to 3/4 of an inch in the Northeast down into the Mid-Atlantic states. I don't even know how much of that has actually been produced. We've been seeing this similar type forecast for days. These fronts have not produced for most of this area. Did get some in upstate New York. Of course, we're getting what we're getting tonight down to the south in Maryland and Virginia. Still seeing some heavy rainfall amounts of 1.5 inches to as much as 3 inches plus in parts of the Ohio Valley and in the central Appalachians, and also ample rainfall in the southwest. So there's not really too much here as far as change is concerned in the overall forecast outlook. We're going to use the NAM model here. These showers and storms that are around tonight, that are around this evening, they're going to dissipate slowly but surely. We'll bring up the latest, and this was back at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The short-term models don't really do a good job. None of them do as far as picking out where the showers and storms are. And then tomorrow, you see a few blow-ups there in the Hudson Valley and in northeastern Pennsylvania. It really depends on what model you use. If you look at some of the other ones, they have some patchy showers in other locations. Just know that the risk is there. I don't think the risk is too high. Back in West Virginia, in Ohio, and in Kentucky and western North Carolina, as has been the case for days now, we'll see the development of some showers and storms. It will be in the mid-80s to maybe some warm spots tomorrow near 90. There'll be clouds around. There will also be some sun. And then we're going to heat up again on Sunday as we go into a west-southwest wind. I think most highs will reach 90 to maybe a few spots getting up to about 94 or 5. And some afternoon thunderstorms are possible in that mix. Not really all that impressive. Monday looks like another hot day with temperatures 90 to 95. We do have a upper trough and a weather front that will be approaching with perhaps the chance for some scattered showers and storms late in the day. A more important trough, however, is setting up to the west. A more important trough and front is setting up to the west as we move through Tuesday, which will be another hot day with temperatures up to the low 90s with some scattered storms as a weather front tries to go by. And then on Wednesday night, we have a more important front. And that high you see there up at Lake Superior, that 1022 high that is coming down, that has some really nice dry air and some real relief. We still have the European model saying no. That's not going to happen, but the other models, the GFS has been very consistent on this idea of a rather deep trough for this time of year coming into the eastern part of the United States. You see it there swinging through, and that will at least bring some robust relief of dew points and temperatures that will last at least a few days and maybe even through next weekend. And beyond that, there's still troughing being indicated in the eastern part of the United States. So if this model is correct, we actually have a stretch of below average temperatures to look forward to. Again, keep your fingers crossed because the European model is saying no. No Joe and Joe weather show tonight. The next Joe and Joe weather show is going to be Sunday evening. We usually have it on Sunday mornings at 11, but this Sunday we will have it at Sunday evening at 7:30 Eastern Time. So we look forward to seeing you then. In the meantime, enjoy your Friday night and enjoy your weekend.